Tired of your PayPal funds feeling trapped in a digital world? Let's bridge that gap and get your money where you need it. I'm going to show you how to seamlessly transfer funds from your PayPal account to your Chase Bank account, ensuring you have easy access to your money. First, log into your PayPal account on your dashboard. Look for the wallet option, usually located on the left-hand side or at the top of the page. Click on it. Now, you'll want to link your Chase Bank account if you haven't already. Click on Link a Bank or Card, then choose Link a Bank account. Search for Chase Bank in the list, or use the search bar. You'll be prompted to log into your Chase account through PayPal's secure connection. This allows PayPal to verify your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Once linked, your Chase Bank account will appear in your wallet. Now, to initiate a transfer, click on Transfer Money. Select Transfer to your bank. You'll see your available PayPal balance and your linked Chase account. Choose the Chase account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct, including the bank account and amount. Then, click Continue or Next, followed by Confirm Transfer. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your Chase account. Keep in mind that PayPal may charge fees for certain types of transfers, so be sure to check their fee schedule. And that's it. You've successfully transferred funds from your PayPal account to your Chase Bank account. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow financial tutorials.